Despite being rebuffed by his party, the CPM, Kerala Chief Minister V.S. Achyutanandan has decided to stay on in his office as CM and fight the new challenges he faces. Now, after his suspension from the CPM's powerful decision-making Politburo, there was speculation that Achyutanandan may quit the party and the chief ministership, but Times Now has learned that the CM will stay on in office. In fact, sources have told Times Now that Achyutanandan, speaking to his close aides, ruled out the possibility of quitting as Kerala CM. He told his aides that he represents the true CPM and described his rivals as representing that CPM which is modern, liberal, capitalist and corrupt. VS has vowed to bring back the real CPM to power. Achyutanandan was suspended on Sunday by the CPM Central Committee, largely because he went against the party line on the SNC Lavalin scam for rival Pinarayi Vijayan. Let's go across now to Prema, our correspondent, joining us live for more on this story. Prema, is this a surprise move? It's not the first time that Achyutanandan has been chastised by his party, but he's stuck to his guns and he's doing it again.
Well, exactly, Tamanna. Now, this is seriously putting to rest all the speculation that was rife in the last couple of days where people thought that he might just go out of the party, he might float a new party, and he might even resign from the chief minister's post. Now, what exactly Achyutanandan has said to his close sources, very reliable sources who've been telling us, is that this is exactly what he said. He said that I will not resign. I will fight this out because I am the true CPM. The other CPM is the modern, liberal, capitalist, corrupt CPM. I want to bring back the real CPM to power, and that real CPM is a farmer CPM. It is a people's CPM. So clearly, Achyutanandan is in no mood to give up.